So in this case, you only were given 2 angles, but you can find the third angle by subtracting those 2 from 180. And then the little side that you get, you only get one side, is A, so you have to use the formula that has an A in it. And you just put all the numbers in. 1/2 times 5 squared, because that's little a squared, times sine of B, which is 17, sine of C, which is 49, over sine of A, which is 114.
Where's those formulas?
Put it all in your calculator. So for the first one, we're going to box this triangle in a rectangle. So I'm going to use red so you can see it. I'm going to go down here all the way down to where that next point is, and then all the way over to where that next point is, and all the way up. And you have to keep going here, and then go straight across.
So you just make a box.
Yeah, but I didn't do a very good job. So now we're going to count. Okay, so the area, they want the area of this triangle. Well, the area of the triangle is the area of the whole rectangle minus the areas of these 3 triangles, because that'll give me the part in the middle. Got it? And my formula is just a play on words, area of the whole thing minus area of the holes in the thing, the part you don't need carpet on. Like if I wanted to carpet that triangular piece in a room, I'd have to take away the parts of the room I don't want carpet on, okay? Mm-hmm. So here, let's look at the top triangle. This is a 1, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 across. You see that?
Yeah.
So the area of that triangle up there is based on 1/2 base times height. So it's 1/2, 1 times 10, which is 5. That's the area of this guy right here. Everybody see that? Now everybody measure here these numbers, and this one on the right triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the second one is going to be 1/2, 8 times 6, which is 24. The area of this guy is 24, which makes sense because it's a lot bigger than the first guy. And then the third guy is going to be 7, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 1/2, 7 by 4, which is 14. And what's the area of the rectangle? The rectangle is 10 by 8. That whole thing is 8. So the area of the rectangle, area of the whole thing, equals 80. So now we just take the area of the whole thing minus the area of the 3 triangles that we're not counting, and we get the answer. What is? Somebody realized that if you set up a matrix that shows the vertices of the triangle, and you find the determinant of that matrix and multiply it by 1/2, and then find the absolute value of it, which sounds very complicated, but it's not, you can also find the area of a triangle, which I think is fascinating. So let's find the points to these. This guy here is 1, -2, and verify it with me.
Do we have to do this?
This guy here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. And this guy here is -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it isn't. 5. -3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Everybody see that? So the first thing you do is you find the points associated with the 3 vertices, okay? Which I just did. Now let's see if this works. We have 1/2. And now we find the determinant. Let's set up our matrix, and I'll teach you how to do it on your calculator. -3, 5, and then you're going to put a 1 here. 7, 6, 1 here, and 1, -2, and a 1 here. Why those 3 ones work? It has to do with the identity of a matrix, and I have not figured it out, how they did that. All right? So now we're going to add this into your calculator as a matrix, and we're going to find the determinant for it.